Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and today is March 1st, which means it's the new month for Amigurumi Wars. And lo and behold, I am the host for this month for March. If you don't know what Amigurumi Wars is, it is the brainchild of Laura from Mamie's Crochet and Farming and Anita from YOH Crochet. Laura first thought of it, but then Anita ran with it because Laura didn't feel like doing it last year. So now this year, Anita is doing it again. And so what happens? You get to pick amigurumis to make during the month of March. Because I am the host this month, you send me pictures via my Facebook group page, which would be the most advantageous for me because I can find them easy that way. And or by my you can send them to me through my email. Total brain right there. They can be a free pattern, free tutorial. If you send a picture of a amigurumi that you made that was a free pattern, you get 1 point. If it is a paid for pattern, you get 2 points. If it is from the Spotlight Designer, which I don't know who that is, you have to go over to Anita's channel, and she will, within the first week of the month, tell us who the Spotlight Designer is and give us information on that. If you make a Spotlight Designer's pattern, it's worth 3 points. I will have Anita linked in the description box below, so you can pop over to her channel. As of this recording, she has not yet done the video on the Spotlight Designer, so I don't know who that is. I don't have that video to link. If you'll have to, when you send the picture, you'll have to tell me if it's a paid for pattern or a free pattern. So like the link to it, or tell me whatever. If you link it, that would be awesome, because I will run the pictures at the end of the video like once a week. Unless there's like a million pictures, then sooner. But if you sent a link, I'll try to link it in the description box for someone else to make. So at the end of the month, the person with the most points wins a $25 gift card from me, and it can be to wherever you want to, as long as it can be an e-gift card, because I'm not going to the store. If I go into a yarn shop, you know what happens. I'm going to buy yarn, so I'm trying not to do that. So anywhere you want the $25 e-gift card to be from, I will do that at the end of the month, whoever has the most points. Now, the one thing Anita says is if you are making something small, that takes you 15 minutes, then you need to make multiple of them, and it has to be all in one picture, to get the points. If you make a big one and you make several of them, then you get points for every one. Let's see. There's more to this. At the end of the year, all the points are totaled, and whoever has the most points throughout the year gets a prize from everyone that has hosted, and Anita, which she hosted the first one anyway. So you have to follow all the YouTube guidelines for giveaways and prizes and all that. It's very helpful if you are subscribed to our channels. That would be awesome, mine and Anita's. I think Anita requires you to be subscribed to her channel. So let's make that a requirement. You have to be subscribed to our channels to win. Then I have a special thing that I'm doing this month that is just special for my channel. Make whatever amigurumis you want to make. I don't care what they are, but next month is Easter, so I know a lot of people will want to make Easter amigurumi, Easter gifts, prizes, toys, whatever. So if you make a not Easter amigurumi, because people are already going to start making them for the holiday or spring, so if you are making one that is not an Easter ami, like, I'm going to make this. This is one of the Ammies I'm going to make. This is actually would be considered a paid for pattern because we had to buy the kit. It was a gift to me from Laura from Mammy's Crochet and Farming. I'm pretty sure Laura gave it to me. If it wasn't Laura, I feel really bad and I don't remember, but I think it was Laura. So if this is not an Easter amigurumi, but if I do something to this, add something special in addition to the original pattern to make it Easter or spring. So I'm thinking it would be really cute if on his trunk, maybe he had an Easter egg. You know, like make an egg shape, stuff it, and maybe have polka dots put on it or something with, you know, baubles. And set it on his trunk and made him an Easter amigurumi because he's not an Easter amigurumi. He's just a plain amigurumi. Because I think, you know, but I want you to get, you know, you jump on your Easter too. That's awesome. But if you want to make an amigurumi that's not Easter, and you, the idea is to encourage you to embezzle, not embezzle. What's the word I'm looking for, Amanda? Embellish a not Easter amigurumi, change them around a little bit, make it more your own, and add to the design, be a little more creative in that manner, then you're going to get put into a special drawing for an additional $25 gift card. So you will need to let me see or know what you did to make it an Easter amigurumi if it wasn't already a bunny, a chick, you know, an Easter basket filled with eggs. Those are already Easter amigurumis. Or spring, Easter basket filled with flowers, you know, or just flowers because those are spring. But if he was holding a bouquet of flowers, so Easter, and for those that don't do Easter or, you know, that's against your religions or beliefs or whatever, to do anything Easter, spring is also acceptable. So anything Easter or spring to a not already holiday amigurumi will get you into a special drawing. But you'll please point it out to me. I made a cow, and then, you know, a milking cow, and instead of black or brown spots, I made his spots be flowers. You know, that would be really cute, right? Good idea. So if you do something like that, then there will be a separate drawing for that. And that will also be a $25 gift card. So this is a Double Dog Dare challenge to challenge you to be a little more creative. Go outside the box. Those of you that don't do amigurumi on a regular basis might be afraid to do an amigurumi. You can do something small and still make it holiday themed. Make it a little more fun. If you know, add to the challenge. I don't know, but I would love to see some additional creativity with your amigurumis this month by doing some embellishments. So I'm not sure, but I just really like the idea of him having an Easter egg on his, holding an Easter egg on his trunk. But it might be cute to put like a little hanging basket of little tiny eggs. That might be too much work. It doesn't have to be a lot of work. It just has to be something a little creative. So there will be 2 prize drawings. The one for the regular, and you have to include in your email or your post on my Facebook group page, you have to include the hashtag Amigurumi War, hashtag Amigurumi Wars 2023, so that way I can find it. It has to be dated March 1st through the last day of March. I don't know, 30 or 31, whatever that is. So you have through the end of March to get them done, and then you'll be in the prize drawing the prize drawing will happen at the beginning of April. Well, I'm sure it won't be April 1st because I got to get it all together, right? So anyway, I am encouraging you to participate and get your creativity on, and I can't wait to see what you make. My Facebook group page is listed in the description box below, as well as my email, so you can easily send things to me. And I can't wait to see what you make. I can't wait to see what this turns out like. So thank you all for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, all of the things. If you don't know Anita, if you haven't heard of Amigurumi Wars, go over to her channel, find out about the Spotlight Designer, and definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.